Next second elective. This is the type 2 mark. Type 2 means this is in the form of px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. This is in the form of px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c. Here also we take px plus q is equal to, the type 2 also we take same formula. Px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Okay. In the type 2 also we are applying the same formula. Px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Here px plus q is the linear equation. What is the linear equation? In the numerator we have the linear equation, that is 2x plus 5. So that implies px plus q is equal to, that is 2x plus 5 is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c is the quadratic expression. What is the quadratic expression? Root over function, that is x square minus 2x plus 10. That is a into ax square plus bx plus c is x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b. Okay. Here this is in the form of type 2. In the type 2 that model is px plus q by root over ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c is x square minus 2x plus 10 and px plus q is 2x plus 5. I am taking directly. That implies 2x plus 5 equal to a is taken as this a into d by dx of d by dx means differentiation with respect to one time. D by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10 is, here x square differentiation is 2x minus 2 into differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1, no need of writing, and 10 is a constant. Differentiation of constant is 0, no need of writing that, plus b is taken as this a into d by dx of differentiation of x square minus 2x plus 10. X square differentiation is 2x. Minus 2x differentiation is minus 2. 10 is a constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. No need of writing that. This is after the differentiation we take that expression is taken as 1. Okay. Now 2x plus 5 is equal to, this capital A is taken inside, that is 2ax minus 2a plus b. Here we need capital A and capital B values. How we get capital A and capital B? Comparing like terms on both sides. Here what are the like terms? First coefficient of x. This side coefficient of x is 2a. This side coefficient of x is 2. After that comparing the constants. What are the constants? This side constant is 5. This side constant is minus 2a plus b. From that we get capital A and capital B values. Now comparing like terms. First take the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x implies. Here coefficient of x is, this side coefficient of x is 2a. 2a is equal to, here this side coefficient of x is 2. 2a is equal to 2. That implies 2 gets cancelled. From that capital A is equal to, we get 1. Capital A equal to, we get 1. Next, comparing the constants on both sides. What are the constants? This side constant is, constant implies, this side constant is minus 2a plus b. Minus 2a plus b is equal to, this side constant is 5. Already we have capital A value. Substitute here. Minus 2 into capital A is 1 plus b is equal to 5. b is equal to 5. This minus 2 is take this side, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore b is, we get 7. We get capital A and capital B values. Substitute after that capital A and capital B, substitute in equation 1. Substitute capital A and capital B in equation 1. What is the equation 1? This is equation 1, that is 2x plus 5. In the LHS we have 2x plus 5, that is taken directly. 2x plus 5 is taken directly, and capital A is equal to 1. Substitute here. 1 of 2x minus 2 plus b is we get 7. B is we get 7. Okay. Therefore 2x plus 5 is we get 1 of 2x minus 2 plus 7. Now this 2x plus 5 is substitute in the numerator place. This 2x plus 5 is substitute in the numerator place. Now take the problem. Integral of numerator is 2x plus 5 by denominator root over x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. Okay. 2x plus 5 is we get 2x minus 2 plus 7. Substitute in the numerator place. Don't get confused. I repeat one more time. 2x plus 5 is we get this expression. This expression is in the numerator place. Substitute in the numerator place. 2x plus 5 is we get 1 of 2x minus 2 by 2x minus 2 plus 7. 2x minus 2 plus 7 divided by denominator root over x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. Substitute in the numerator place directly. Okay. After that, now take the splitting mark. That implies integral of 2x minus 2 divided by denominator function root over x square minus 2x plus 10 plus, here we have plus, so I am taking plus 7 divided by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 whole dx. After the splitting, we take the integration to each function separately. Here we have the two functions. One is this function, another function is this. Integrating to each function separately. That implies integral of 2x minus 2 divided by root over x square minus 2x plus 10. After the integrating, we are writing dx plus integrating to this function also. That is integral of 7 divided by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. Okay. Integrating to each function separately. Now this is in the form of f dash of x by root f of x. X square minus 2x plus 10 dx. 10 is we take, suppose this is f of x. This becomes f dash of x. How it is? X square differentiation 2x minus 2 into differentiation of x is 1. So x square minus 2x plus 10 differentiation is we get 2x minus 2. So this is in the form of integral of f dash of x by root f of x. We have the formula. What is that? Integral of f dash of x by root f of x. Root f of x dx is equal to, this is in the form of 1 by root x. Formula is 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x plus c. We are applying this formula here. That is integral of f dash of x by root f of x. 2 root f of x, that is 2 into root f of x is x square minus 2x plus 10. This integration is completed. Now come to this expression. 7 constant take out, remaining 1 by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. Now this is converted into 1 by root over a square minus x square, or 1 by root over a square plus x square, or 1 by root over x square minus a square. So first this is a considered term. Here consider x square minus 2x plus 10. Consider x square minus 2x plus 10. For conversion, we have the steps. First this expression is taken in order. Already we have this is in order, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So take it directly. Already this is in order. X square minus 2x plus 10. First step is completed. Next second step is, what is the second step? Keep x square coefficient is always 1. Here x square coefficient already we have 1. So second step is also taken directly. No need of change. X square minus 2x plus 10. Second step is completed. Next come to third step. What is the third step? Add and subtract with the x coefficient by 2 whole square. Add and subtract with x coefficient by 2 whole square. X coefficient by 2 whole square. Okay. Here x coefficient is minus 2 by 2 whole square. Minus 2 by 2 whole square. Minus whole square is plus. That is add and subtract with the 1 square. Actually we are adding and subtract with something else. But for finding that number we have the formula, that is x coefficient by 2 whole square. Here x coefficient is minus 2 by 2 whole square, that is 1 square. So add and subtract with the 1 square. Now this expression becomes x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x, take it directly. Add with 1 square, subtract with 1 square. No need of change. Plus 10 as it is. Plus 10 as it is. Up to this expression becomes x is as it is x. When we have x coefficient is negative, here we take negative. Suppose here we take positive, here we have positive, so we take positive. In this expression we have x coefficient is negative, so we take a negative. After that adding number, whatever that number we take number directly, whole square. Okay, check it. A square plus b square minus 2x. Remaining is minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 10 is 9 only. So this expression becomes x minus 1 whole square plus 9 can be written as 3 square. This is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. This is in the form of x square plus a square. Here x is equal to x minus 1